Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use tags for organization in Monday.com, your ultimate 2025 guide. Our first step is to create a new tag. To do this, go to your workspace, click the three dots on the top right corner, and select Manage Tags. From there, hit Create Tag and name it based on the category you want to organize. Now, this is important because tags help you quickly identify and group related tasks or projects, increasing your productivity in the long run. Next up, let's assign these tags. Just select the item you want to tag, click on the tag icon, and choose your tag from the list. The reason we do this is to associate specific tasks or projects with their relevant categories, making it much easier to filter and track their progress later. Now, speaking of filtering, that's our third step. Go to your board's search bar, type in your tag, and hit enter. This helps us because it allows you to see all related items at a glance, providing a more focused view of your workload. Lastly, let me explain why this matters. By consistently tagging and filtering, you're creating a highly organized workspace that can save you heaps of time in the future. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're not just organizing, but you're also setting up a system that helps you prioritize, track, and complete tasks more efficiently. All right, we're wrapping up. Just remember, using tags in Monday.com is all about enhancing your organization and productivity. So start tagging and watch your efficiency soar. Thanks for tuning in.